Kenny had enough.
Patience went out the window.
He's taking the workshop down. Good morning! That time of year.
We have to put the hat on.
Yeah, December.
Hands up, Luther.
We go Kenny on the finger. Go Sean. And we're destroying the workshop.
Again.
We've had enough. It's mayhem. I couldn't get up this morning. I was like, no, I'm dreading it. So all the... Yeah, I had to get kids to school. So there's our new ceiling there. We're gonna be whole ceiling covering up the same like in the reception. That wall is moving into there. And battery is dead again. Needs to go and charge that. And then this is this wall is coming this way a little bit. So this is gonna change. Well, hopefully to sort out the floor as well. So a bit of a work to do. Need to sort out the ramp. Go to skip.
Right,
Hold on, battery's running low.
Okay. Chris's job today.
Hey, I took some measurements. We got stuck in the holes. And Sean has got van, we're going to be trying to pull this off.
That's fine, that come. Alright, come on, just go slowly forward, just roll it down. Keep going, 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 keep going. Yeah. Right. Yeah. Still stuck in there. Go ahead.
Now we're talking. Nice and slow. Tell you what's the thing.
Should be okay to go slowly.
There we are, off the hole. Right.
Now keep going, keep going, keep going.
Yeah, a bit more. Go. 1 week later.
We're still here.
When did we start it? On Monday, isn't it? First video.
Monday?
Well, almost Friday, but it was Monday, first video, and then today is for Tuesday. So in a whole week, we sanded the floor. As much as we could, I suppose. So that needs to be painted. The wall is up. The squint, if you look that way, from there. But that's, no. That's that building, whatever landlord or whoever built it first, I just added extension to it. And it was squared, but it's obviously square there, not square there, it doesn't matter. No, it's not, the whole building is not square, but this is square and that is square.
You built that side.
That side is square, it's this one what's putting it back into the angle.
It could be square, it could be off.
No, it's not. Anyway, I'm putting the ceiling up. This square. Yeah, if we look. Hey, Kenny's been painting walls, you can still see the joints. Yeah, I mean, if you look a little bit here, the ceiling is straight, but the wall, this wall is running a little bit that way. A little bit of minor, yeah. Should come out a little bit there, but it's not my fault. Whoever built this room, and I just made an extension, and I made a square, but anyway.
You did that for you.
Ish, no. And that's our trolley that we're using to put the ceiling up.
Because if you look at it,
Drive on a pallet.
the wall was squintish, as you say. The roof, squintish. All your plastering, your final touches, when you paint that, you still
It's perfect.
you're still going to see it's going to be ish as well. So Chris is going to be made ish.
It's funny like they say it's me. Well, okay, I did it all ish. You do it next time yourself. Yeah. The sanding is perfect. It's the best sanding I've ever done. And I'm not I'm not plaster. Yeah, it's good. It's coming along. I even customized our logo. Because it got cut off by the ceiling, so I've trimmed the back of it.
That's what the size is. Ish.
Ish.
The roof was going to be, what? 12 dropped.
Yeah, it's 18.
It's 18, yeah.
Yeah, ish.
So we're 5
No, but that's not my fault. The trunking is 4 centimeters weight, so there's only 2 centimeters extra that we dropped. We didn't calculate for trunking.
Yeah,
So it's only
we're
2.
a bit lower than what we were.
2 centimeters.
Yeah. That's
Ish.
2 centimeters.
No, it's not. I've measured. I just took that much off the. Yeah, I've measured. Look, I'll find your old logo in a minute. You can measure it. Yeah. Doors are locked. I can't get in. Oh well, that's that room. Can't really see that. What a difference painting the walls. It's actually white, not yellow, orange, whatever. So white. Mess. It's so different, like seeing that yellowish warm ceiling now to this. We might have to change those if we have any left. It's gonna annoy the hell out of me now. Like walking in here is like orange comparing to white here.
The lights.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we haven't got those lights in yet.
Yeah, but they will be the same white as those ones. And you walk in here, it'll be like totally
Yeah,
different.
but we said for the customers, we didn't want it.
I know,
bang.
but now I open the door, it's like,
There you go.
Even my camera went crazy. Didn't know what white balance is anymore. Yeah.
What is this then?
So it's big mess. Still need to sort lots of things out. Cupboards, paint floor, paint the walls. Do the lights, ceiling. Oh, he's opened the door. Look.
Chris's plasterwork.
Nothing wrong with my plasterwork. Look. Just need to sand it down tomorrow and paint it, and it's all done. Beautiful. It's got light as well. It's got light coming through. Look. It's all good. guys, how are you doing? It's Chris from 2K Customs and we are back quite a few months later. Really it's just an update video. It's been a hard time for everyone with the lockdown, open, close and all this nonsense. So basically it's actually almost end of April. We're gonna be opening on the 26th of April again after the lockdown, but end of December we close a little bit earlier just to do a little bit of refurbishment around the workshop, and I think it looks really well. So whoever follow us on Facebook, obviously you're gonna see it. You've seen it on the Facebook page, but today we're gonna do a quick update on YouTube video. I need to see what footage have I got, because I've been recording through some of the refurbishment as well, so I might just put a couple clips in this video as well from the refurbishment. But let's go have a look. So the reception went a little bit smaller now. We moved this wall a little bit closer that way, and then the other side of the wall we moved out forward, which will give us a little bit of a bigger room behind the wall, and you will see why. Other than that, it's pretty much as it was. Well, let's go into the workshop, and what's changing here? We put a suspended ceiling with all the lights in here, and I think that is really nice. Hopefully we can get a nice white balance. Couple cupboards here in the corner to hide all the washing equipment and stuff like that. It's a bit of a messy here today because I'm actually trying to wrap my car. I'm waiting for the vinyl to arrive, and hopefully I can wrap my car just before the lockdown is over. But what happened, we had the room here, but we actually gained a bit of a space, made a room a little bit bigger. And the reason for that is because we made a bit of an investment into the latex printer. So we're gonna print our own designs for vehicle wrapping, signage and whatnot. So nice full length 1.5 printer, new cutter as well. So I'm just waiting for the vinyl to arrive. Basically, it's supposed to be here on Friday, but it's not arrived. And I'm gonna be printing a design to put on that car. And also we've got a laminator here as well, so and this design is going to be laminated with a matte finish. So once the vinyl arrives, we're gonna print it out and then laminate with this bad boy here. And actually I got this car, I think it's end of February, Audi A3. It's quite nice. Wasn't sure what I'm gonna do with it, but black car as always, easier to wrap. So we're gonna put that design on. I'll do the video about the wrap as well, so you're gonna see the video, separate video about that. But I think it was gonna look different, that's for sure. If I don't like it, I can always take it off. That's the thing. Calipers has been also painted red, so I'll just get those ones down. I still need to wrap the sides, good gloss black. The first thing when I got the car, I de-chromed around the windows, and I de-chromed the front grille as well. But other than that, that's the workshop. We've got new cupboards right in the middle there, so obviously wrapping vinyl set there for bay 2, and then bay 1 we've got wrapping vinyl at the back as well. Nice bay lights, it'll give a nice feature. So we're gonna get probably another ramp for this side here, so it will be 2 equal bays. We're also adding another service, so we not only added the printing, but we're also going to be doing under seal for the cars. That's why the second ramp will be handy, just to make sure we're on top of it, all the work that we've got. Hopefully in the next couple of videos you're going to see a new employee. If it all goes well, you'll be here with us. And we're getting pretty busy right now, so can't wait until the lockdown is over and get on with all the work. Kenny's wheel for sale. He sold his BMW. He actually ordered a brand new A3 as well, but in a sportsback, mine is saloon, so he's still waiting for delivery. Still old ramps, quick jack, handy stuff. We got a car in here, we can always jack it up. But that's that, you know, that's the main changes. Obviously floor painted, all the walls were painted, so it's nice fresh paint. We've got all this extra storage closed off now, nice wall. Got a kitchen now in here, where there used to be a bit of a mess here as well, but that's the kitchen now here, where there used to be obviously a sink, and all the cupboards were along this wall here. So that's, you know, give us a little bit of space. Toilet as usual, office. But yeah, looks good. Let me know down in the comments below what you think. Yeah, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think about the new workshop layout. And if you want to see more videos, it's just been so busy with all the work here and other businesses and stuff like that. I just got not enough time to sit down, edit the video and post it. But I think we've got like 4 or 5 full wraps coming up in the next 2 months, so I'm gonna record them. I will try to record them, and I'll definitely try to post a video about it. Right, for now I'm just have to, well, I've cleaned the car pretty much. Still need a little bit second clean, final clean, but I need to wait for the vinyl, and it's 1 o'clock. Still no sign of it, still not been updated for out for delivery. So once it arrives, we're gonna be printing, and that's gonna be a separate video about the wrap. So stay tuned and keep an eye on the video on this wrap.